In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an email on Brevo. We'll walk through the full process step by step so you can safely update the email address connected to your Brevo account. This is really useful if you've switched to a new inbox, lost access to an old one, or just want to tidy up your account details. First, go ahead and log into your Brevo account as you normally would. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your company name or account name. Click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this drop-down, choose the option labeled Settings. Clicking this will take you to the main settings area for your account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu, sometimes called the side panel or left panel. In that menu, look for the section labeled Profile. Once you find it, click on Profile to open your personal profile page. Inside the Profile section, you'll see your personal information. Look for the field labeled Email Address. This is the email currently associated with your Brevo account. Click into that email field, delete the old address, and carefully type in the new email address you want to use. Take a moment to double check for spelling mistakes or missing characters, because this address will be used for important notifications and login access. After you've entered your new email, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the profile page. There, you'll see a button labeled Update My Profile. Click this button to confirm the changes you've made. Once you do that, Brevo will show a notification at the bottom of the screen. It should say something along the lines of, "We have sent a confirmation link to your new email address. Check your emails to confirm it." This means Brevo has sent a verification message to the new inbox you just entered. Now, open a new tab or switch over to your email app and log into that new email account. Look for the confirmation email from Brevo. If you don't see it in your main inbox, remember to check your spam or promotions folders as well. When you find it, open the message and click on the confirmation link inside. After you confirm, your Brevo account will officially be using your new email address and you're all set.